A strong kick sends a soccer ball toward the goal. The goalie does his best to stop the ball. Both the kicker and the goalie exert forces on the ball to change its motion. Forces change all kinds of motion. Soccer is a game of motion. As players move around the field, they demonstrate all of Newton's laws of motion. We're going to look at various sports and activities to show how Newton's third law of motion works. All motion follows a set of laws. Sir Isaac Newton came up with 3 basic laws to explain the relationship between forces and motion. His third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. This means that all forces come in pairs. We can see this relationship in many of the things we do. This law of pairs is shown in many activities we do. When I am running, my foot exerts a backward force on the ground. This backward force or action causes my body to move forward, which is the reaction. Swimming is another great example of Newton's third law of motion. When we are swimming, our hands and legs do 2 things. First, they push down, and second, they push backwards. It is the water that we are pushing. So, in accordance to the third law, the water exerts an equal and opposite force on you. That is in the upward and forward direction. The first one keeping you afloat, and the second one pushing you forward. Kayaking also shows Newton's third law. Kayakers put their paddles in the water and pull back on the paddles. When they do this, the backward action of the paddle going through the water causes the reaction of the kayaker moving forward. Next time you are playing or watching any sport, think about Newton's third law. It is pretty amazing when you start to realize how action and reaction forces affect many of the things we do.